Ichthyosaurs, fish lizard, are some of the most common of these fossil reptiles. They had a dolphin-like body and were perfectly adapted to life in the sea. The powerful fish-like tail was used to swim in. Limbs had evolved into paddles for steering. At the time when dinosaurs lived on the land, many other large reptiles evolved in the expanding seas. They included the ichthyosaurs, plesiosaurs, pliosaurs, mosasaurs. Ammonites were the free-swimming mollusks of the ancient oceans, living around the same time that the dinosaurs walked the earth and disappearing during the extinction event. They came in a range of sizes from tiny species only a couple of centimeters across, the larger ones reaching over 2 meters in diameter. The animal will have lived in the last and largest of a chain of spiral chambers. Filling these chambers with fluid or gas allowed the ammonite to sink. About 200 million years ago, a small fin-scaled type of fish appeared. At first, they were little more than food for the larger, heavily scaled animals. Most modern bony fishes are of this thin-scaled type, known as teleost. The fishes that swam in Jurassic and Cretaceous seas were very different from the earliest ancestors that had appeared in the Devonian period over 150 million years before. Many Jurassic fishes still had their thick enamel scales, but gradually these forms were replaced by modern types. Basking shark. The name comes from the habit of floating motionless on the water's surface, apparently basking in the sun, commonly reaching lengths of 7.5 meters, 25 feet. Their skeletons are made of cartilage and their skins are covered in tiny tooth-like scales. They do not have any air sacs, and many sharks must swim constantly to prevent themselves from sinking. Basking sharks derive buoyancy from the large amount of oil in their livers, which may be up to 25% of the shark's body weight. Manatee and dugongs are collectively known as sea cows. Their closest relative on land is the elephant. The spore species of sea cow are plant eaters and fully aquatic. Their survival is threatened due to habitat loss and hunting. They are well adapted for life in the water, using their arms for steering and their tail as a paddle. While their legs have all but disappeared, manatees and dugongs differ in the shape of their skull and tail. Manatees have a paddle-shaped tail, while the dugong has a The skeleton is of a young humpback whale which was killed whilst accompanying his family group south for the winter by a large piece of timber during a hurricane storm in the Atlantic. It was then washed ashore at Gilstone near Aberthaw on the 15th of October 1952 and was the first stranded recorded for the species for 100 years. The adults measure up to 58 feet for females and 50 feet for males, weighing 34 to 45 tons when adult, the young being 15 feet at birth. The humpback whale is one of the largest baleen whales in the world. Once common, they were hunted to near extinction and even now numbers are small. The adults feed on plankton and fish in the rich northern waters in summer and migrate to subtropical waters in the winter. On display is the largest ever recorded leatherback turtle, weighing 914 kilograms. This is about 142 stone and measured 2.8 meters across the flippers when found. Sadly, the leatherback turtle, which is on display, drowned after getting tangled in a fishing rope, which was a common fate for the leatherback turtle. Life at sea, a unique feature of leatherback turtles is their ability to control their body temperature. The new research shows that they can maintain a body temperature of 25 degrees when swimming in water which is only 5 degrees.